In this video, we'll be showing you how to display your fundraising goals on your website. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Settings, and then click on the Fundraising tab. Enter the target you are fundraising for in the Target field. Enter the current amount raised in the Current Total field. Enter a title for your fundraising in the Title field. And enter any further information you would like to share with your community in the Fundraising Information field. Then click the Update button. Your goals will be shown in your PTA, About Us, in the Fundraising section. And that's it, you have now successfully displayed your fundraising goals on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.